Okay, I've been practicing dentistry for over 30 years in the Metro Detroit area. I opened this practice December 2006. I was able to join this practice, and it was a very interesting thing that happened. My husband happened to work with the doctor who owned the practice, and the doctor went to a convention. And he had a massive heart attack, and they were looking for someone to step in and really help out. And at that time, I was associating with Dr. Calloway on Detroit East Side, so he asked me would I be interested, so I came in, met the staff, and my biggest thing was, how can I help? How can we help the patients? How can we help the staff? Because when things like that happen, something tragic like that, people it's very emotional. They're looking for job security. The patients are wondering, well, what's going to happen? Who's going to take care of our dental needs? So I was really blessed to be able to jump in and do those things. And upon doing those things, they wanted me to stay on. So I was able to purchase a practice, and a lot of patients that were Dr. White's patients, they still come to see me now. And it's been over 20 years later.